So here's a story. I was in school when I was at UC Davis. I worked for what they called the annual fund, which was the fundraiser for the College of Letters and Science. So I called all the alumni and begged for money. Hated the job, but it was an on-campus job and it was easy to do. Well, the other night, guess what? I get a call from the annual fund. And I talked to a young lady named Hazel, and we had this long, drawn-out conversation. I said, I used to do what you did. And by the end of the conversation, she got a donation, because I thought that was pretty cool that I was talking to someone that used to go to, or that goes to Davis, and that she was doing something similar that I was doing. Had she asked, could we stay in touch? Because part of our conversation was, well, do you have any advice for me about networking? And I was like, oh yeah, let's talk. And we had this great conversation. Had she asked if we could have stayed in touch, I would have said, yeah, no problem. She didn't ask, so I didn't offer. But the beginning, that's where initiative comes into play. And at least asking, would you mind if we stayed in touch, or could I call you from time to time?